Want to change your Clash Royale in-game name? It's quick and easy once you meet the requirements. Here's the guide with everything you need to know, plus the important rules, so you don't waste gems. To change your name in Clash Royale, you must first reach King level 5. This is the minimum level required before the name change option unlocks. Once you're eligible, open Clash Royale and tap the gear icon to enter settings. Inside the settings menu, select Change Name, then enter your new name. Your first name change is completely free, so choose carefully. After that, every additional name change will cost around 500 gems, so it's best to be sure before confirming. Supercell enforces naming rules, so your name must be between 2 and 16 characters, cannot contain offensive, political, or inappropriate content, and should not include personal information. Special characters and emojis are discouraged because they may not display correctly across devices. It's also important to understand the difference between your in-game name and your Supercell ID name. They are completely separate. Changing your Supercell ID name does not change your Clash Royale in-game name. Supercell allows a one-time free Supercell ID name change, and after that, it can only be changed once every 6 months. That's it. Reach King level 5, go to settings, change your name, and enjoy your new identity in the arena.